Yoga is often misunderstood as being it is only for flexible or experienced people. But the truth is, it is for everyone. Whether you're looking to get flexible, or you just want to relax, or you just want to feel good in your body, yoga has something to offer. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Yoga with Neha. In this video, I'm going to show you the beginner modification of different yoga poses so that the fear of learning yoga from your mind will be gone. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Butterfly pose modification. Use yoga blocks under knees.
Woke up late, missed the morning glaze, but the sunlight hits in so many ways. Grab my shades and hit the streets.
Cow
No
pose
more plans,
modification. You can
chasing
use yoga
vibes
blocks
like
under your palms.
seashells in the sand. Radio hums a tune I can't name. Crooked smiles, crashing waves, no shame.
In cat pose, you can also use yoga
Toss it in
blocks
my
under your
bag.
palms.
Today's for us, no time to lag. Feel the world just turning slow.
In downward
Let the
facing dog, you
breeze
can bend
tell
your
us
knees.
where to go. Every step a beat we can make. Life's a tune, sing it till
For
we
child
break.
pose, you can use a pillow under your chest.
Concrete warm under my bare feet. Crowds moving like a heartbeat. Skipping stones in city streams we find.
For seated forward bend, you can use yoga block under your knees.
Someone's cooking love in the air, I swear. Every spark in their voices shows they care. Colors splash like secrets on these walls.
For Viparita Karani, you can use a pillow under your hips, or you can keep your body a little farther from the wall.
Turning slow. Let the breeze tell us where to go. Every step a beat we can make. Life's a tune, sing it till we break.
That's all for today's video, guys. Hope this video will help you to improve your yoga practice. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.